Hi, 7th graders. Today we're going to take a look at how to get into Canva for your final assessment. So click on your final assessment. You're going to go to Final Project, Newspaper Work, right here, 1022 and 1023. Click on this. And then you're going to choose one of these levels. So whatever level you're trying to go for, you pick. And you're only going to use this link once. So I'm just going to go with a 5-6 just to show you how to do it. So I click a level 5-6, and then it'll come up. And yes, it says created by Kristen Higgins. That's fine. We worked on this together. And then you hit Edit Template, and it will create that template for you in your Canva. Down at the bottom here, you can make the page bigger because it's a little bit, small to sort of work with. So there's a slide bar down here, and you can just make it, as big as you need. I usually go, 25 or 30, something like that. And then over here is where you start typing. But because it's a template, I think you can just start, typing right in there. I'm going to get rid of that. So you should be able to just start typing right in the box. You don't really need to do anything because it's a template. So it should be fairly easy. If you want to change the font, the information is up here, just kind of like any, any digital platform that you use. And then here's pictures. You can go to design. No, you don't want design. You can go to elements, and then there's different categories. You can go to photos. You can also go to magic media and then describe what you want, and it will come up with a picture. So let's just say an ad. I want an ad showing vitamins for the Paleolithic age. I don't know. That's probably a really bad prompt. And then I don't know why it's saying it's against our policy, so I guess we will try something else. Showing tools, we'll just say. Okay. Nope. Let's say tools for the Stone Age. Okay, so you could use this and then drop the picture there, but you're going to have to put words with it too. So you can just say that. You could just trash that and put this here. And then you might need to do a text box for that. So if you go to text, you click add text box, and then it puts it right here. It's usually pretty small, but then this moves the text wherever you want it to be, and then you can just start typing. Great. Oops, we don't want a link. We just want to type right in there. So great tools for your hunting needs. Trading for obsidian. I don't know. So anyway, you can do that. If you want to use this text box, you can use this text box down here. If you need to create a text box, again, it's just right over here. But the template should be pretty easy for you to work with because you're just dropping stuff in wherever you need it. The one thing that I would say is you don't need a second article title. It goes along with the article up here. And that should be it. When you go to save it, I'll make a separate video for that when you go to save it and submit it. So that is it for using Canva.